Toronto Tower, good afternoon, Air France 356, passing 2000 Omtok.
Encore 3473, Hotel 2, join Hotel, ground 2165, good day. France 356, heavy target A, wind 2306 knots, stable land 182. 611, Carolina, runway 23, airborne, turn right by heading 340.
Tower low, Westjet 706, ILS 23.
Air France 356, exit Hotel 4, join Hotel, ground 2165, good day. Westjet 706, Jack 8 rolling with 2306 knots, clear line runway 23.
Clear line 23, Westjet 706. Yes, 326 Tower, hello, we're just about to approach now, departing down 8320. Westjet 706, exit left, contact ground 1. Canada 115, Tower Alpha. 115, and 115, line up runway 23.
Tower number 4985, now at 24 right.
Number 4985, Toronto Tower, wind 1909, clear to land runway 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right, number 4985.
Wind 248, 6 clear to land runway 23. Clear to land 23.
Forward join Delta 4, contact ground
115, contact departure 128, Air Canada 150. As 326, exit Hotel 2, contact ground 1265.
Right 24 right, Air Canada 18.
As 493, clear takeoff on my takeoff on 20
Toronto Tower, Canada 459 with you, been cleared the ILS runway 23.
Canada 459, Tower number 1, runway 23, continue.
Number 1, Air Canada 459.
As 326, exit Hotel 2, contact ground 1265.
Right 24 right, Air Canada 18.
Number 4985 on Charlie 2, contact ground 12196.
1219 on Charlie 2.
Canada 459, wind 2406, clear to land runway 23.
Clear land 23, Air Canada 459.
Canada 147, Carolina. Run up runway 23 here, Tango 147. Canada 459, X by Hotel 2, contact ground 12165. Canada 147, clear takeoff runway 23. Clear takeoff runway 23, Canada 147.
Bye.
Tower with AeroMexico 606, no final 23.
Mexico 606 Tower, hello, your number 1 runway 23, continuing departing traffic.
Okay, continue wrong with 606.
Canada 147, contact departure 1288, okay? Departure 288, good air, Canada 147. Air Mexico 606, Western, Hotel 4, contact ground 121. 121.65.